Good morning students. Today I will derive quadratic formula. You know what is quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is used to find out the value of the variable in a quadratic equation, correct? And you know the formula is the variable, suppose x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is quadratic formula. If you want to find out the value of x in a quadratic equation, for example, the quadratic equation is 2x square plus 5x plus 3 suppose is equal to 0, and you want to find out the value of x, then you use this formula. But how this formula has come up? Okay, I shall derive that. This equation I have taken randomly. This might not be giving any real or maybe giving an unreal. Don't go for this. This is a quadratic equation, and to get the value of x, we use this formula. Okay, how this formula has come, how the value of x is given by this formula, I will derive that. Okay, stay connected. Instead of taking that particular equation, I will take the algebraic form, I mean the standard form of the quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, here a, b and c are coefficients, they are real numbers, and a cannot be 0. Now x is variable. Okay, I'll solve this quadratic equation to get that formula. How? Step by step I am explaining you. Observe. Let me first divide all the terms of this quadratic polynomial on the left side in the equation by a. Ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a equals, 0 by a is 0. I can write directly 0, no issues. Now a get cancelled here, so I have x square only plus b by a x plus c by a equals 0. Now I will shift c by a, the third term, to the right side. So I have x square plus b by a x is equal to minus c by a. Well, up to this it is clear, I think. One thing we did, we divided each term on left side and right side by a. We did on both the sides the same thing, correct? Now after that I transfer the third term, the constant term c by a, to right side. It is minus c by a. Now I will try to make the left side a perfect square. I have x square already. Let me consider this term like 2ab, and if it is 2ab, then what can be b square? That I have to see. Okay, so x square plus b by ax I have. All right, so this is square of x, and this is 2ab. b by ax is 2ab. So what can be b square? Okay, b by a I have already, I wrote it. b by a square, if I take, I want to say that this is my b square, this is a square, this is b square, this is 2ab, this is going to be 2ab, but something is wrong here. If it is b, then 2ab would be 2 into x into b by, so 2b by a into x it would have been. So this can't be, because I don't have 2 here, so I will take 2 here. Now why I took 2 here? It is like when you multiply 2ab, means 2 into x into this, 2 and these 2 got cancelled, and you have only b by a and x, correct? I want to say that x, 2 and b by a, if you would have multiplied, then you would be getting 2bx by a, but 2 is not here. That means we can apply 2 here, and by taking like this we can say that 2 and 2 were cancelled, and that's why we have b by a and x left, b by a x, okay, as a 2ab, correct? So b by 2a square. In other words, I can tell you that take the half of the middle term's coefficients as square, b square. Okay, now here let me copy it down as it was, no issues. C by a minus c by a I have. Now this is our step. We have x square, this is b by 2a square, I can say a square plus b square, and this is 2ab as I showed you here, correct? Hope it is clear. Now we have x square plus b by ax plus b by 2a is equal to minus c by a. But at the same time, one more thing you see, I added b by 2a whole square on left side, so I have to add on right side as well, b by 2a whole square. Now we will move on to next step. Implies on left side I have now a square plus 2ab plus b square. I can write that as a plus b whole square as per the identity, correct? So who is a? X. Who is b? B by 2a. So x plus b by 2a whole square equals to, I have minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. So I will write minus c by a plus square of b is b square by 2a square. 2 square is 4 and a square, 4a square. I have this. Now you see what we do. I'll take on left side the same thing, and on right side I'll take the LCM of a and 4a square. A and 4a square, their LCM is 4a square. Now when you divide 4a square by a, you are left with 4a. 4a into minus c, you get minus 4ac plus 4a square divided by 4a square, LCM divided by each denominator, that is our process. So 4a square divided by 4a square is 1, 1 into b square is b square. Now what I do, I'll shift now, I'm done with right hand side, I'll now shift the square. On both sides I will take the square root of the things. Okay, square root of this left side gives you, removes the square. So I will have x plus b by 2a only. Okay, on right side also I will take the square root. So I will have plus minus square root of minus 4ac plus b square by 4a square. Okay, why I took plus minus? Square root of this number can be positive as well as negative. Okay, now on right side let us simplify a little bit. X plus b by 2a equals plus minus 4ac plus b square. Square root of this will stay as it is, minus 4ac plus b square by square root of 4a square will be 2a, correct? I can write it little better, plus minus, I write minus 4ac I will write in the second place, plus b square I am writing first. So I have b square minus 4ac by 2a. Alright, now next step is x equals to plus minus b square minus 4ac square root of this by 2a minus b by 2a. Okay, plus b by 2a, shifted to right side, I have minus b by 2a. Now in the next step we will be getting the formula, you see. I am erasing this part. X equals to LCM of this particular part and this part is 2a. Both the denominators are same, 2a. So I wrote it. Now plus minus b square minus 4ac minus b, or in fact I can write minus b in the beginning, then plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equals to, you got your quadratic formula. Using this now, using the coefficients a, b and c putting their values, you can find the value of the variable. Okay. Now one more thing, you see, you have already read in polynomials part that alpha plus beta, alpha and beta taken as two roots of a quadratic polynomial, when you add them, their sum is minus b by a, and the product of the two roots alpha and beta is c by a. That also we can verify using this. How do you want to know? Focus. Here I have x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is formula, quadratic formula. Alpha is minus b, take plus, and b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is take minus out of this plus and minus. Once you take plus, once you take minus. When you take plus, suppose that gives you alpha, then minus will give you beta. I mean beta will be minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. So I am going to prove this particular relation between the coefficients and the roots. Alpha plus beta. You see, we will get minus b by a or not. I am adding alpha and beta. Alpha is this and beta is this. Minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a plus beta. Beta is minus b minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now denominators are same, so LCM will be 2a. Now the numerators, let us copy them as they are, and plus of this thing will be same, minus p minus b square minus 4ac. So positive b square minus 4ac, negative b square minus 4ac cancelled. Now you have minus b, and minus b is minus 2b by 2a. 2 gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2 ones are. Now you are left with minus b by a. That's why alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Similarly, I can show you alpha into beta is how alpha into beta is c by a. Look, alpha into beta. Alpha is minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a into beta is minus b minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Multiplying this both, you get denominator multiplied with denominator, so you have 4a square. Now what about numerator? This is like a plus b and a minus b. A is minus b and b is square root of b square minus 4ac, square root of b square minus 4ac. A plus b into a minus b, there is an identity. A plus b into a minus b gives you a square minus b square. So I will write square of minus b. Square of minus b will be minus b square, I am writing one step more, and minus b square. Who is b? This thing. What is this thing? Square root of b square minus 4ac. So square root of b square minus 4ac square of this. Now you have minus b square gives you b square minus of this. Square root and square get cancelled here. You have minus b square minus 4ac. Minus of b square will be minus b square, and minus of minus 4ac will be plus 4ac. Did you understand how it is? I am showing you once. See, minus is there already. Now square root of b square minus 4ac is there and square is there. Square and square root cancel. You are left with only b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now b square, sorry, by we have 4a square. Now 4a square is there in the denominator. You have in the numerator b square. Minus of b square is minus b square. Minus of minus 4ac is plus 4ac. plus b square minus b square get cancelled. You have 4ac by 4a square. 4 ones are 4 ones are, and now 1a, here you have a square. So 1a get cancelled from numerator and denominator both. So you will be left with c by a. Is that clear? So alpha into beta is c by a, and alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Hope you liked the video. Thank you very much. This was regarding derivation of quadratic formula and derivation of relation between the coefficients and roots of a quadratic polynomial. Thank you very much.